No, I get the instinct on this. My only concern, there'll be probably more members of the Supreme Court in 50 years than there are members of Congress if we continue to do this. Whoever then is in the majority continues to expand on the basis of their ideology. But your point is spot on. I mean, it goes to first question, though, is filibuster in order to get to that threshold, to order to move some of that legislation, even if you have all three branches. But the question, you're right, is the court is self-evident because this was 1965 voters' rights. That was the Congress that adopted it,
right,
and they threw it out. So the question,
a Congress that re-implemented it by 98-0, I believe, in like 2006, was signed into law by George W. Bush. Not exactly some crunchy liberal, but that the question remains then: what do you do to actually entrench some of these protections so that we're not?
I think we get into larger Supreme Court reforms as it relates to ethics, as it relates more broad, which hardly is the answer, but is one of the strategies for reform. And then obviously issues I think that are appropriate to have conversation around term limits in that respect. But my fear, sincerely, is shoes on the other foot.